Hey Siri, tell me about parrots. Tease out a piece of parakeet. Alexa, play piano. I love you. Hey Siri, tell me about chicken.
All right, well, thanks for watching Kiwi and Pixel the Parakeets. We hope you enjoyed your stay here. We've got a couple updates here. We've got some t-shirts and merchandise down in just below the video for sale. Teespring has now integrated with YouTube, and you can buy stuff on Teespring directly from the video page. So go ahead and check that out. We've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, we've got all sorts of cool stuff. So yeah, anyway, the other thing is we adopted a brand new dog. His name is Buddy. And Buddy is a giant Australian Shepherd Lab mix. He weighs way too much, and we have made a new channel called Buddy the Dog's Weight Loss Adventure to document his adventure of losing about 35 pounds. So anyway, we hope you join us for that. There is a link to that down below the video. So anyway, thanks again for joining us, and have a good night. Bye, Kiwi.